Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 12, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all our price predictions only according to the charts. And if you're not one of our members on our HueFin News Patreon page, then definitely you all need to be one. If you're not having success in understanding where the market is going to go, then definitely you need to come and participate in the viewership of our videos, because it is there that you will know and understand with high probability of where the market is going to go. And you know what? It's all without confusing you. That's our main objective, is to show you that you too can predict market prices without being confused with using so many indicators and numbers and patterns and shapes and trying to buy all those expensive software and courses that does not allow you to succeed. And the greatest thing that is lacking in the cryptocurrency space is people's ability to understand the emotional standpoint of the market. And it's kind of like hieroglyphics on the Egyptian pyramids or on the Egyptian walls, to where they are literally pictures, but those pictures are symbols of emotional depictions of what the actual Egyptians were trying to portray to the people. Same thing with the price charts. The bars and the volume are depictions of the emotional feel of the participants within this space. And if you just understand that, then you will become more profitable, and understand your risk management abilities will increase, because you can see on the horizon of what's about to come. So if you're not one of our members, then definitely come on over. It's only $3 a month. If you really value understanding how to trade without the confusion, then come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page. We're there. We'll give you all this access to our analysis only. And then on top of that, you'll be part of our Facebook group if you're willing. And there you can dialogue with all our other members and try to discuss potential trades, questions that you may have about a particular move, or even questions that you may not understand about trading. It is all being done there in our private Facebook group. So we look forward to seeing you all coming out. Because we're definitely not trying to sell you on anything, because our prediction speaks for itself. If you have not seen any of our videos over the last couple of months, all the way into 2017, then go back and check out our videos. The proof is still there. The evidence is there that we definitely understand what we're talking about. So I'm showing this coin market cap website because I wanted to point it out that Tether is moving up in rank according to market cap. And that is one of the most negative things that you guys do not want to see in the cryptocurrency space. As Tether moves higher, then that means that a lot more money in the altcoins are leaving it, going into Tether as a safe haven, because majority of the people in the market are fearful that they're losing out on their investments. So ever since the beginning of 2018, I think Tether was down towards 15 to 17, and today it is up there at the number 9 slot. And if we continue to move lower as a whole in the cryptocurrency space, then expect Tether to move higher. Okay, so today I'm just going to do analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Daily price chart for Bitcoin is still giving you that push to go down bar in the market. They're down right now 4.21%. The last trade was $6,110.20. Let's take a look at the 3-hour bar real quick. If this 3-hour bar concludes the way that it looks now, then we still have a lot longer to go to move lower in price. And the 3-hour bar definitely shows you that the market ultimately can try to come and touch $6,000. Okay, so definitely not a buy opportunity in Bitcoin. 1-hour bar shows you again weaknesses here, but I'm expecting by the ending of this 1-hour bar that we may make a slight recovery to where we're going to stay above 6120. But currently weakness is very apparent, so do not expect Bitcoin to move higher at this particular time. Now the market can come towards $6,060 rather than $6,000 even. But nevertheless, I'm still looking for Bitcoin to move to the downside, and it might not move that low, only just to catch support. Okay. So now let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum as well is down 5.96%. Last trade was $418.60. Daily price bar for Ethereum, you can see here again, just like with Bitcoin, in the next 23 minutes, if we close towards the low of this particular daily price bar, then expect Ethereum to continue to move a lot lower in price. A lot of volume came in on the 10th of July, and for us to continue to move lower in price definitely tells us that we have a ways to go to lower prices for Ethereum as well. Ultimately, we might come down to $400, but again, that's not a nice resting place for Ethereum. Maybe around $390 is where we're going to try to hold support for Ethereum. I'm going to show you right here. Yes, I would say around $400 is where I'm expecting Ethereum to try to come and hold support long term. But definitely, even in the short term, I'm not expecting movement higher in Ethereum. We may make a bounce throughout trading tomorrow back up to around 450, but that's very, very slight probability on that occurring. 3-hour chart, again, no indications of market strength. Not even going to waste your time on a 3-hour chart. And then again on the 1-hour bars, we just recently continue to move to the downside. So again, $430, or maybe a little shorter than that, $425. Can be resistance now, so just keep that in mind. But overall, expecting Ethereum as well to continue to move lower. So now the last one for today is going to be Litecoin, down 3.68%. Last trade was $75.32. And you can see here on the daily price chart for Litecoin that the volume has been increasing as we've been trading around that $80 to $75 price area. Definitely is an indication that the market participants are buying Litecoin around this price, but there's still weakness here, so we're not ready to make a reversal from moving lower to higher. Okay, you can see here on this 3-hour bar that Litecoin came and hit the same support area that we saw on this 3-hour bar, and we didn't recover as much as you would expect during this particular time. But this may be second opportunity that Litecoin is going to try to move higher in the short term. You can see that it's coming in right now, that this is a probable because it's a strength. So in the next hour, at the completion of the next hour bar, then definitely expect, if it closes above this previous close, then expect Litecoin to continue to move higher in price. It might just come up to around $76 or $76.50. But again, that is not a huge opportunity to come in Litecoin unless you're a day trader or a scalper, meaning that somebody who's able to take profits relatively quick in the market. Might actually come up to around 77 and trading tomorrow. All dependent on how much the market participants are eager to move Litecoin. So that's all I got for today. Definitely leave y'all interested in learning more about language analysis. Definitely become a member on the HueFin News Patreon page. I mean, in less than 5 minutes, we have given you analysis for 3 cryptocurrencies, and it was all done without confusing you. And we really want you all to understand this language analysis on your own. So we will be offering language courses so you too can become your own individual financial trader, and you wouldn't have to be dependent on anyone else to try to dictate on where they expect the market to go, because that's one of the only key pieces that everyone is not telling you. They may tell you that this may be a good opportunity to come in the market, but they do not tell you when to get out. And that's what we do. We let you all know whether or not the market's going to move higher or lower on a daily basis, and from there you guys can make your own objectives, moves, and strategies for your own particular situation. That's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.